CeCe Randina apologizes live on TikTok after receiving a lot of bashing from SB19 fans.
Excited makita sa program natin mamaya.
Dito po?
Yes. Any performances that you're looking forward to?
SB19
Oh,
daw
ayan.
po. Starbucks lang alam ko.
SB19 daw. Tsaka
Her apology live on TikTok. Some of Aiden commented while she's apologizing that she didn't really need to apologize because she never actually did anything wrong and that it's a usual reaction from a casual.
Diba, parang, kunwari pag nabash yung fan mo, I mean yung idol mo, siguro ipagtatanggol mo rin. Siguro ganun din yung naramdaman nila, kaya sobrang sorry. Kasi,
nothing against them naman.
Kaya, sorry po. Sorry. Intention ko po talagang mag-sorry publicly. Kasi public yun kanina, kaya, sorry. Ako naman po yung nag-insist na humingi ng pasensya sa mga SB19 kung may na-offend ako sa sinabi ko kanina. Kasi public din yun kanina. So marami talagang nakarinig and marami ding siguro nalungkot din sa mga sa isang joke lang like ganun. Pero wala naman po sa akin if aatakihin nyo ko or what. Consequences ko naman yun. And yun, naiintindihan ko and I'm really sorry. Wala pong nangaaway. Hindi po mag-aaway dito. Hindi ko lang sila kilala. Kaya sa lahat po ng na-offend ko, sorry po. Sorry po talaga. Inaatake na po ako alam mo, tinatake na ako ng mga SB19 fans. Kaya sorry po.
SB19 member still took on his SNS account to express his distaste to some of the fans' reactions. In his comment, he says, "I personally don't tolerate this kind of behavior. Stop this." Cherry and Quippins Randina, popularly known as CeCe Randina, is a Filipino indoor and beach volleyball player. She is currently playing for the Chaco Mucho Flying Titans at the Premier Volleyball League. She was a former member and captain of the UST Golden Tigresses volleyball team.